next step is, I'm actually going to stop by the bottom because on the top it's very hard. I tried this one in the car, was super hard. Duh, because it's in the car. So you're going to take one of these things and then put it on here. It might be tricky. That's what happened to me. It was super tricky. Okay, so then put it on. And this is the next step. It's going to be pretty hard. Take this, put that up. Oh, so I guess we're not going to use it. Okay. No, don't go away. Okay, we're not going to use that one either. Okay, this one. And then you're going to put this right here in the next one. Same thing like we did on the bottom. To me, it's a little tricky, because it's small. Wait, I forgot the other side. Oh, yes. Oh, no. I can't do this. It's like tricky. Okay, no. Okay. This is gonna be a small one. Okay, I made it. It's pretty small compared to this one because I had to take all that stuff out. Let's see if it fits. Oh, that's too small. So that's all for this video. Goodbye. Hope you like it. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. Love you.